Hi, this is Ram at Lancelot Video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to record your computer screen using a new feature in Canva. Let's get right to it. So here we are in Canva. I have an account. You can have a pro or free account. The window we want is the video. So we'll go ahead and click on that. This will take us to Elements, Uploads, and Text. Now from here you want to click down to Uploads, and here are all my images, videos, and audio. If you scroll down, but the one tab we want to be interested in is to record yourself. And in order for me to show you what's happening here, I'll go ahead and click on Camera. So right now I have two cameras running, so I can demonstrate this. One is the webcam, and one is going through OBS. Now I'll show you the feature. We click on screen share, and right here you can do entire screen, window, or the Chrome tab. In this case, I'll go ahead and click on the entire screen, screen 2, and click share. And as you can see, it's presenting myself and the camera. Now if I want to hit record, I'll just go ahead and click this record button. If I want to turn the camera off, I'll go up here and go to no camera. Okay, so as you can see, I'm sharing the screen and the camera, and right now I'm on the Canva website. Now when I'm ready to record, I click on the record button. You'll get a countdown. Now from here I'll let it go record for about 30 seconds or less. Then when I'm ready, I go ahead and click done and give it time to upload, and then click save and exit. After it finishes uploading, you'll notice that it's in the videos tab. So now you can see if I hit play, you can hear my voice and the visual, and you can also shorten it. And what is also great about this feature is you can actually crop it or cut it down as well. When you click on the scissors, you can see here up top, you can actually edit your video. If you want to make it shorter, you can go ahead and do that, and then click done, and you can see now the video is actually shorter. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the videos. As you can see, I edited the video down to 10 seconds when it was 18. Now that we edited our video, I want to go ahead and click on Elements, and I'll show you one of the most beautiful features of Canva is that we can actually use a different frame. In this case, I'll go ahead and be more creative and click on the computer screen. What you want to do here is hold down your left mouse key and drag it into the computer screen. Now what you'll have here is your video in that computer screen. If you want to go ahead and use a phone, you can go ahead and drag it into your phone as well for more vertical or portrait screen. So what's really great about this, there are so many options and frames that you can choose from tablets to notepads to notebooks. That concludes the tutorial for today. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. As you can see, having Canva and sharing your screen is going to give you a great opportunity for your videos. And of course, it's also free.